Welcome back to our Ajax EN54 wireless fire range breakdown. In the last video, we looked at all of the benefits of the control panel. Now, we're going to look at the EN54 and Intruder products that go with it. We'll be looking at features, some handy applications, and some real-life examples. So without further ado, let's take a look at what we'll be working with today. If you're watching this video, you've probably already worked with Ajax before, and you don't need a tutorial on how to set up an account. Here with us today, we have a VAD and a sounder. All the devices have up to a 5-year battery life. The control panel can hold up to 200 of these devices, and it's not just EN54, it's Intruder devices as well. That saves you the hassle of buying 2 hubs. All products, EN54 and Intruder, are managed through the Ajax app. As you'd expect, the fire range stays on 24/7, and the Intruder can be armed and disarmed using the app or a physical keypad. It's important to get the best signal you can. The less power the device has to use to search for connections, the longer the battery will last. And once you've installed it, managing it is also made easy. Under your device settings, you can input additional information. The type of information could be device locations, so that a client or the fire brigade know where the device is when looking back through the app or on the control panel. This goes one step even further. You can group all of your devices into zones, and how you group them is completely up to you or your client. This could be by floor, product type, however you may choose. Put them into groups and then give that group a name. This is exceptionally helpful in locating the source of a fire or a triggered device so that they can be manually checked. This just scratches the surface of the detail that goes into these products. We're just focusing on some of the things it does to make your life easier. To be the first to see our next video, subscribe and turn on notifications. And if you're already starting your EN54 projects, contact our sales team via email or give us a call.